Hindi naman masagot ng Immigration Canada kung anong mangyayari sa mga caregiver na nakabinbin pa rin ang status sa bansa. Sa gitna ng anunsyo Lunes na bibigyan ng permanent residency ang mga papasok na caregiver sa ilalim ng bagong pilot program. Ang panayam ng Omni Filipino kay Immigration Minister Mark Miller sa report ni Paula Saraza.
The takeaway from this is a very important moment for people that come here as caregivers. And notably, I would say for people in the Filipino community.
Mabusising pag-aaral sa kasalukuyang immigration programs para sa caregivers at patuloy na konsultasyon sa mga organisasyon at advocates ang ilan sa nagtulak sa inanunsyong caregiver pilot program ni Immigration Minister Mark Miller nitong Lunes. Sa one-on-one interview sa Omni Filipino, ipinaliwanag ni Miller ang programa at ang plano ng gobyerno sa mga susunod pang taon.
Paula, I think it's important to highlight the real victory it is for those advocates that have been fighting for years, since even before I was in Parliament. Some said yesterday that it had been 20 years that they have been fighting for it.
Sa bagong caregiver pilot program, bibigyan agad ng permanent residency status ang mga darating na eligible caregivers sa Canada.
Permanent resident upon arrival for eligible caregivers. Can you explain what that means, eligible caregivers?
Yeah, so they have to fulfill the criteria that includes the ability to speak English at the level 4 and no longer the level 5. When they get to Canada, will not have to work 12 or 24 months as a temporary resident and then be eligible right away to be permanent residents. It means they can also change jobs. They are not stuck in that one position.
Bagamat magandang balita, marami pa rin na naghihintay sa tugon ng ahensya sa mga nakabimbing PR applications ng mga caregiver sa ilalim ng mga dating pilot program na home child care provider at home support worker na mapapasuna sa June 17.
We will have to do our best diligent work to make sure that we clear the inventory, which is significant.
Ayon pa kay Miller, malaki ang pangangailangan sa mga caregivers sa Canada dala ng tumatandang populasyon sa bansa.
Some of the statistics that I've seen, perhaps in other areas that are similar to this, like nursing, show that if we don't act now to have programs to bring people and also train people in Canada, which is important, that we will be facing much more significant shortages.
Bukas ang ahensya sa posibilidad na gawing permanente ang pilot program kung makikitang epektibo ito para sa mga aplikante at sa ekonomiya ng Canada.
We will most likely launch this in late 2024, early 2025.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.